Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Planet Free VPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to start using the Planet Free VPN here, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, in order for you to start using it, you need to first install the app. So in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store here, search Planet Free VPN, go ahead and select this one, and click on Install. Now, once you've initiated installation, just wait for a while, and you should be able to open up the app. Now, we've just installed the app. Let's go and click on Open. Now, once you open the app, you'll be welcomed into the welcome screen here. So this may take a few seconds for Planet VPN to set up or fully set up the app. First thing that you want to do is you want to go and click on the Agree and Continue section. This is the privacy notice. Now, from here, you can go and allow notifications if you want. And from here, if you don't want to get ads inside the app, you can go and get the premium. But for now, let's go and click on Continue with ads. Now, in order for you to start using the Planet VPN here, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, this is the homepage here. Now, this is where you'll be able to start your connection. Now, if you want to choose your locations first, so you could go and just choose the recommended server section. And this will allow you to choose a server that you want to connect. Like, for example, you could go and use you could connect to USA in New York, USA Portland, even in France here. But there are other servers out there, that premium servers. So that includes Argentina, Armenia, and a lot more. But there are free servers here that you could use, and also P2P servers that you could also connect to. But then again, you need to have the premium subscription in order for you to access that. Now, for now, you can go and use one of the following servers here. Now, if you want to start the connection, you can go and just click on the connect button. And from here, it's going to ask a connection request. Let's go and click on OK. And once you've allowed that, it should start the connection here. To, in this case, this is how you actually initiate the connection. Now, in this case, if you want to disconnect, you go and click on disconnect. And also, if you want to change the protocol here, so you have StarGuard, OpenVPN, or IKE-v2, you can go and change that as well. So you can go and switch to either one of the following here. Now, if you click on the 3-bar icon at the top left of the screen, it should give you the menu. Now, inside your menu here, you have the option to go to premium. So if you want to upgrade your plan, you could also see the subscription plans, access the FAQ and support page. But if you want to change your settings, you go and click on settings. Now, from here, if you want to auto-connect, like for example, when the application starts, you could automatically turn on your VPN, so you don't have to click on the connect button every time. Now, you could also choose your protocol here, so either one of the following options, and you could also set some exceptions if you want. So, application that is accepted from using or connecting using Planet Free VPN. But yeah, so you can go back here. Now, also, if you want to create your account or sign in, you can go and click on sign in. And basically, you have the option to enter your email and your password if you have an account with them. Now, from here, if you click on the top right of your screen, this will redirect you to the sign in page as well. If you click on the share button at the top right here, this should give you the option to share this app to other sources. Like, for example, you want to share this to your friends or whatnot. But this is just sharing what application you're actually using as of right now. Now, the great thing about Planet Free VPN here, it's pretty easy to use. It just has a simple connect button here. You also have the option to choose your server, which is quite nice here. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.